Greetings, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome to a place where the magic of cooking comes to life, where ingredients transform into delectable dishes, and where anyone can become a culinary maestro. This is Cookaro01, your ultimate destination for easy-to-follow, tantalizing recipes that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Here at Cookaro01, we believe that cooking is an art, a passion, a love language that transcends boundaries. It's not just about feeding. It's about creating memories, it's about expressing love, it's about sharing happiness. And you don't have to be a professional chef to do that. All you need is a heart full of passion and a guide who can walk you through the journey. That's where we come in. With a plethora of recipes that range from sumptuous entrees to mouth-watering desserts, Cookaro01 aims to bring the world of gastronomy right at your fingertips. We don't just provide recipes, we provide a culinary adventure. Each recipe is a journey that takes you through the process of creating a dish that not only tastes great, but also tells a story. Our unique feature is our simplicity. Each recipe is broken down into simple, easy-to-understand steps, making it accessible and fun for everyone. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned cook looking for new inspiration, Cookaro01 has something for everyone. Cooking is a journey, and each recipe is a new destination. So, why not make this journey together? Subscribe to Cookaro01 and together we can explore the vast, delicious world of culinary arts. Join us and embark on this exciting journey of flavors, aromas, and textures. Become a part of the Cookaro01 family and let us create culinary magic together. Remember, a journey of 1,000 recipes begins with a single click. So click that subscribe button and let's embark on this delightful journey together. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep spreading the love through food. Happy cooking, everyone!